Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to be looking at a 2006 Honda Element. We're going to be checking all the fluids and the fluids that go in the vehicle by the manufacturer's specifications. Here's your washer fluid. It's got the indication of the washer. It actually comes with a dipstick. You can see how much fluid's in there. It's pretty low. You top that off and just pull the fluid right in. Make sure it's snapped down, and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.